Okay, so we are going to make some calls right now and see if anything can be, we can get a deal. So this is daily calls again. We're doing this for the next few weeks. We're going to try to do these every single day. Maybe hopefully you can get your first deal if you don't know anything about real estate, etc. Maybe seeing me might inspire you. That is my goal, to inspire somebody who is looking for their first deal to make some calls and to go ahead and see if they can get their first deal done. So let's get started. This is for new investors, mainly people who want to get their first deal. So I'm going to go through the calls right now. So, okay. Okay, so I'm trying to dial this seller. Let's try a VoIP number here. Okay, I hope you guys can hear that. No one answered. Okay, let's see this over here.
Please leave your message for 6509061.
Nothing. Yeah, I'm looking at these calls. Nobody's picking up. And that's how it is in this business. You kind of just have to keep trying until you get a hold of somebody. Okay, let's try something different.